Acid rain can leave unsightly marks and stubborn deposits on car windows, making it harder to see clearly and potentially harming the glass over time. But with the right cleaning and protection methods, you can restore clarity and keep your windows looking spotless. Vinegar is an effective way to clean acid rain from car windows, as it contains natural acidic properties, which help dissolve mineral deposits and water spots. By mixing vinegar with water and applying it to the affected areas, you can gently lift stubborn stains without damaging the glass. This simple and affordable solution not only restores clarity to your windows, but also helps prevent further etching caused by acidic rain over time. A dedicated automotive glass cleaner is an easy way to maintain windows affected by acid rain. Apply the glass cleaner generously over your car window. Then use a pad to gently scrub it all over the surface. Its gentle yet effective formula lifts surface residues and prevents streaks, restoring visibility without harming tints or trims. Take your time during this process to ensure thorough cleaning. Finally, use a clean microfiber cloth to wipe the window dry. Over time, regular application can reduce the buildup of acidic deposits, keeping your windows clear and polished. Using an acid rain remover is another highly effective way to tackle stubborn stains on car windows. These specialized products are designed to safely dissolve the mineral deposits and etching caused by acidic rain without damaging the glass. Simply apply the remover to the affected area, follow the instructions on the label, and wipe clean. This method not only restores the clarity of your windows, but also helps protect them from future acid rain damage. Glass polishing compound contains tiny, fine abrasive particles that gently clean car windows affected by acid rain. These microabrasives lift stubborn mineral deposits, water spots, and acidic residues without scratching the glass. By carefully polishing the affected areas, the compound restores clarity and smoothness, making acid rain marks less visible and improving overall visibility. After applying the glass polishing compound, use car wax to coat your car windows. The car wax forms a protective layer that repels water, dust, and acid rain, helping to prevent future stains and mineral deposits. This layer enhances the shine and cleanliness of your windows while making them easier to maintain, reducing the long-term impact of acid. By following these effective methods, you will safely remove acid rain stains and maintain clear, polished glass for better visibility and a well-kept appearance.